how to create a DJI Go account. So let's see in this video. Before moving forward, make sure to like this video and subscribe to our channel for more updates from us. So let's begin. The first step is you need to open up your preferred browser on your PC. After that, in the search bar, you have to click and search for DJI Go sign up. After that, you'll be able to see the search results where you have to go for DJI account over here. Soon after that, you'll be able to see this interface where you have to enter your email address and create a strong password. You have to re-enter your new password over here. And after that, you have to agree with these two boxes and go for submit option. If you need any help with registration, then you can go for this option over here. After entering all the information, you can see my account has been created. So by following this simple step, you can create DJI Go account. So hope this video was helpful. Don't forget to like, comment, share and subscribe to our channel for more updates from us. Thanks for watching.